First, we need to know the anchor bolt, the anchor location. We have to measure 78 centimeter. Okay, 78 centimeter. One is on this part, and the other one is on this part, like this. Okay, 78. Alright, after that, we have to connect this part to that part. Okay, so when it comes like that, this you have to connect it here. The long bar and the head, shower arm, sorry. Shower arm, there is a, you can zoom in here, okay? Then there will be a connection here and connect. Okay. There is a 4 screw location to fix. These are the fixing part. Okay. Fixing part. That's it. This one, press, and then pull. Okay. It's not moving. Press and slide. Okay. This is on the right side. Either way, you can put it on the right or on the left. And on the other side. Then on the other side, install the soap dispenser. You can remove this like so, to get the Allen key for tightening the position. Once you finalize the position, you can tighten it up from here. Okay, like that. There are two, the small one and the big one. You install it like so. So you have the option where to put the big on the below or the small on top, or vice versa. It's your choice. And then for the diverters, install the diverter. But first, let's put it here. For the diverters, you have to insert this part to this part, other side. The knob is on the front, and that's it. This one you have to tighten by Allen key here. There you go. Then we have to install a shower with the long cable, flexible hose. The long flexible hose for the shower. Okay. Connected to this side. Okay. And the small flexible hose for the supply. this one. Then this one going to the mixer unit or thermostatic mixer unit or any mixer unit to mix the water for the supply. This is for the supply. And then finally, you have to put the shower head like so. There you go. And that's your finished Halo Plus bath and shower system.